Okay, in this question, we're going to look at the shortcut and how that can help us. The shortcut knowing about the log scale. So Richter scale is a log scale. If I go up 1 unit on the Richter scale, that is 10 times the intensity. So in using the shortcut, I look at the question like this. An earthquake's intensity can be measured using the Richter scale, using this formula. We don't need it. Okay, all of that information is gone. We don't need that. A recent earthquake in Chile was measured at 50.1 times the intensity as an earthquake in Haiti. The earthquake in Haiti had a magnitude of 7.1. What's the earthquake magnitude in Chile? Okay, so all we have to do is look at the one in Haiti. It's 7.1, so somewhere there on the Richter scale. So that's the magnitude of the one in Haiti. Now, the one in Chile was 50 times the intensity, which means it's more intense, which means the magnitude is more. So I don't know exactly where it is, but I know that it's going to be above that. Okay, so somewhere above, we don't know exactly where it is, but this is the magnitude of Chile. We know that the difference between these two intensities will be 50.1. So since it's a log scale, we just need to know how many factors of 10 are we going up on that scale to be an intensity factor of 50.1. So we'll do 10 to the strongest, which is the Chile magnitude, take away the magnitude of the earthquake in Haiti. The differences between those on a scale factor of 10 is an intensity of 50.1. So now that I have an exponential function, I can just switch it into log form. So in log form, I use BAE. So B stands for base, A stands for answer, E stands for equals exponent. And then to solve, I would just add 7.1 to both sides. So log base 10, we don't really need the base 10. It's just log of 50.1 plus 7.1 will equal to the magnitude in Chile. So already I feel like I'm on a good track for that because I'm adding to 7.1. In other words, I'm making it bigger. So I plug it into my calculator, log of 50.1 plus 7.1, and I will round it to the nearest tenth. So the earthquake in Chile measures 8.8 on the Richter scale.